Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you some pros and advanced tips and tricks how you can use the RECnGO in an advanced level. Let's jump into the studio interface. So what you can do with the settings menu here, so if you would like to do a live stream simultaneously, I mean to do a live stream on different social media and video platforms at the same time, please use the custom RTMP feature here and to use some other softwares that allows you to do a multi-destinations live streaming. RECnGO is a studio software, so it allows you to use your iOS and Android devices as a studio setup and use the custom RTMP feature to do simultaneous live streaming. What else you can do? If you would like to add Android phones and tablets, iOS phones and tablets as an external camera sources, you can do it easily. Just be sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi network or shared 4G or 5G. If you would like to add your mirrorless cameras / DSLR devices as an external camera source, of course you can add them. How you can do it? Please use the RECnGO desktop version, which is available on the Mac OS devices after the Venture software operation system. So please download the RECnGO application and open it, and you can connect your mirrorless cameras / DSLR devices or action cameras like GoPros. So connect it to your laptops or desktop and connect the cameras via HDMI cables, and you can use them as an external camera source. If you would like to use them as a hybrid way, please use your phones as an extra camera sources, Android and iOS. You can use both them together and use the same Wi-Fi or shared 4G or 5G network because the phones can be added wirelessly. If you would like to use the layer panel here, and if you would like to do, let's say, a live stream on a soccer game and show some results, you can do it easily. So I set it up previously. I will show you some magic here. So you can add team A and team B's names, you can add logos, you can add names, and you can add some results here, as you can see. And how you can edit in a quick way, so let me show you. Here there is a quick update menu, 1-1, someone just scored a goal, and voila, that's all. Super easy to use. Or change it, or change this one. If you would like to add a name text here, just insert the layer. You can add fields, text, graphic elements. If you created the graphic elements previously via Canva, Photoshop or any other softwares, please save the files and send it to your studio device directly. So if you have a graphic elements as a picture here, just add an image here, and you can add here as a logo or any other thing that you prefer to use during the video production. So I created this button or just graphic elements via Canva. I just added this here as a layer. If you would like to add some extra microphones, you can do it easily. I just use this C hub as an extra panel here. I add this to my iPad, and here it is, a wireless microphone. Just add to the hub, turn it on, but do this before you open the RECnGO application. So set up your microphones previously you open the RECnGO. So once you are done, just please open the RECnGO Studio, open the projects that you are created previously or create a new one, and check the audio mix panel so you can connect the wireless microphone or any other microphones in a super easy way.
Stay up to date with the latest streaming and videography solutions. Subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. We also have a supportive community to give, get, grow and shape the future of streaming industry together. Join this community and enjoy all benefits.